Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and bringing your AirPods case close to the device. This triggers pairing. Once done, open Settings and tap Bluetooth, then select your AirPods from the device list to connect. Make sure both AirPods and the case have more than 20% charge to avoid interruption. You'll see the status and battery levels once paired. If a prompt appears to enable automatic features, accept it so your device can configure audio routing and mic preferences automatically. Once connected, go into the AirPods entry in Settings and choose how the controls behave. You can assign double tap or press and hold to play, skip, or invoke voice control. Set left and right independently so you control music with one side and calls with the other. Next, select microphone mode and noise control. Switch between active noise cancellation, transparency, or off to suit your environment. Make sure automatic ear detection is enabled for seamless pausing when you remove an AirPod. To finish, enable spatial audio and head tracking if your model supports it for immersive sound. Adjust EQ in the music app to taste. Once done, check firmware under About to keep features current. If something goes wrong, try forgetting the AirPods in Bluetooth and repairing. That fixes most mismatches. As a last resort, reset the AirPods by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This restores defaults and clears stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.